Ladies and gentlemen, today we're diving into the future of luxury SUVs, the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a car that not only gets you from point A to B, but also makes the journey feel like a first-class experience. The first thing that catches your eye is the large spindle grille, finished in a glossy black with an intricate diamond pattern. The new LED headlights are sharper than ever, giving the NX an aggressive, almost predatory look. With arrow-shaped daytime running lights and sculpted air intakes, this SUV exudes modern luxury with a sporty edge. From the side, the Lexus sports a coupe-like silhouette. A bold shoulder line and 20-inch alloy wheels give the NX a commanding presence, while the floating roof design adds a sleek touch. This isn't just another SUV on the road, it's an SUV that demands attention. Now, let's move on to the rear, my favorite angle. The NX features distinctive wide LED taillights that stretch across the entire length of the trunk, giving it a futuristic identity. And just below, 4 exhaust pipes are neatly integrated into a sporty diffuser, reminding you that this SUV has performance DNA beneath its luxurious skin. Speaking of performance, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a wide range of engine options, from efficient hybrids to powerful turbocharged 4-cylinder engines, and even a plug-in hybrid for eco-conscious drivers. Expect smooth acceleration, precise handling, and a signature Lexus driving experience, even at high speeds. This is where luxury meets efficiency. And then we step inside. This is where Lexus truly shows its expertise. The cabin is swathed in premium leather with contrasting stitching, creating an atmosphere that feels both warm and futuristic. The driver's seat feels like a cockpit with a large curved digital display and a new AI-powered infotainment assistant that responds to natural voice commands. Add in a Mark Levinson audio system, heated and ventilated seats, and ambient lighting, and you have a comfortable and luxurious cabin. So, that's the 2026 Lexus NX. Bold on the outside, elegant on the inside, and powerful under the hood. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that blends Japanese craftsmanship with futuristic technology, the NX might be the perfect choice. Would you choose the 2026 Lexus NX over the BMW X3 or Mercedes GLC? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more car reviews. Until next time, drive safely and stay inspired.